Hello everyone. As you all know that the Council for the ICSE examinations, they have released a specimen question paper for the semester 2 examinations which are to be held in this year in the month of March and April. So based on that specimen question paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of 12 books. Now this is a book on commercial studies for class 10th. Let me tell you that this book is basically a question bank with model test papers, and it is strictly based on the reduced and bifurcated syllabus for the academic year 2021 and 22 for semester 2 examinations. This book has chapter-wise summary and question bank. It has specimen question paper solved which is released by CISCE. This book also has model test papers which are unsolved but strictly based on the latest specimen question paper released by CISCE for this year's examination for semester 2, right? So let us see how this book is designed. To start with, this syllabus is given in the starting of the book. You can see the complete syllabus is given. After the complete syllabus, the bifurcated syllabus is given for semester 1 and semester 2. As we all know, both the semesters are for 40 marks each. We will be talking about semester 2 because this book is based on semester 2 examinations. So this is semester 2 bifurcated syllabus. After the bifurcated syllabus, we come to the contents of the book. In the contents, please note there are 3 different sections. This has been designed very thoughtfully. The first section is the question bank, which is section A. After that, there is section B, which is the specimen question paper. Now, this is the paper which is released by the council for this year's examination for semester 2. After that, section C comes. Section C is model test papers. Now, these model test papers are strictly based on the latest specimen question paper released by the council. There are almost 5 unsolved model test papers for the students to practice. Now, let us see how section A, every unit is designed. Now, this is section A, the unit. Unit number 3, Finance and Accounting. First chapter is Final Accounts of Sole Proprietorship. Now, if you can see, the summary is given in the starting. All the summary is given in the 20 points, all the points are given point-wise. Do you know why? For the simple reason that the child can recapitulate the whole chapter in a very short while. That is why the complete summary is given in the starting of every unit. After the summary, we come to the question bank. The question bank is divided into various sections. The multiple choice questions are there, the short answer, very short and long answer type questions are there. Now this is section A, which is the multiple choice questions. Please note that this is a solved question bank. Now, there are almost 25 multiple choice questions. If you can see, there is a box here. All the answers for the multiple choice questions are provided. After that, section B, short answer type questions are there, which are for 2 marks each. Now here, again, all the answers are provided along with the questions itself. So these are all short answer type questions, which are for 2 marks each. After that, long answer type questions are there, which are for 3 marks each. Again, all the answers are accompanying the questions. So there are almost around 10 to 12 questions for the long answer type questions. So these are all long answer type questions. You can see all the answers are provided along with the questions. These are all long answer type questions. Now, after this, we come to section B of the book, which is the specimen question paper. Now here, this is the specimen question paper solved, which is released by CISCE for this year's examination. You can see this is a solved question paper, the specimen question paper. The answers for section A, which is the objective type, are provided here. Section B is here and answers are provided along with the questions. As I have mentioned, it is a solved paper. So this is the specimen question paper released by the council. Now, after the specimen question paper, we come to section C of the book, which is the model test papers. As I have already mentioned earlier, there are 5 model test papers, all strictly based on the latest specimen question paper released by the council for this year's examination, so for semester 2. Now, this is the model test paper. This is the unsolved paper. However, answer to the objective questions are provided at the end of each section. So, this is model test paper. The answers are provided here for the multiple choice questions. So, this is how the complete book is designed. If you want to see more subjects and more question banks and model test papers, you can visit our website. The website is www.goyal-books.com. Thank you so much.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.